What do you get when you mix rock, blues, reggae, and New Orleans soul all together? A Suncoast band called Kettle of Fish, of course, and they're performing on the Suncoast at the Suncoast Food and Wine Festival this Saturday. And they're here with a preview in today's Sounds of the Suncoast. Take it away.
How I reached and how I felt, just the same old story to tell. Only her comes when I land. Guess it's all part of being a man. Life is as easy as you said it would be. Stories you told us are meant to see. Look in the mirror, I don't like what I see. Just the shadow of a man you wanted me to be. Now I'm stuck inside, got nowhere to go. I've lost my keys. Outside there's too much snow, and I can't forget things you said. Can't forget Sunday mornings in bed. You said, go anywhere with you. I go anywhere. Now I'm stuck inside, got nowhere to go. I've lost my keys, inside there's too much snow. I can't forget the things you said. Can't forget Sunday mornings in bed when you said, I go anywhere with you. I go anywhere with you.
Love it. And fun name. Who thought of that?
I did. I saw a picture of Jack Kerouac up at the Kettle of Fish bar in New York City, and I love Kerouac, so I just thought that was interesting. And then I realized Kettle of Fish means trouble. And so fine Kettle of Fish we're gotten into.
You
so.
could have named it Kerouac. I mean, if that's who you really liked. You guys are everywhere.
And amazing.
Well, thank you. We love what we do. We stay busy. You know, obviously all the things we're doing this weekend, but yeah, we love it.
What's your style of music?
It depends on where we are that night. That we're blues based, but we're rock and roll, we're soul, we're a little New Orleans funk.
A little of everything for everyone, and
Yes.
that's exactly what you're going to get this weekend at the Sarasota Food and Wine Festival. You get to hear more of Kettle of Fish. Now, this festival is going to be at the Polo Grounds, and if you want to get more information, you visit SarasotaFoodAndWineFest.com. And next, we're going to try our hand at a new sport, lawn bowling. But first, you guys are going to play us another song so we get to jam a little.
Absolutely.
All right.
Let me get out of the way here so we can see the
Go
drummer.
for it.
What's the use in talking, girl? Oh,